Hey, my name is Eddie. I work with our sales team and engineering team here at Icarus Medical. Just want to do a quick video on how to measure the knee center to floor distance. This will be applicable for all of our KAFO products, so that'll include the Hercules and the Zeus. So for Icarus products, we define the knee center as the apex of the lateral condyle. So all of our measurements from knee center to floor are going to be from the lateral apex of the lateral condyle down to the floor. So in order to identify the apex of the lateral condyle, you're going to look for the boniest protrusion on the knee. It's going to be right here. Around. So once I identify that point, I'll measure the distance from there down to the floor. For this distance, we actually want it straight down to the floor, so the vertical distance, as opposed to going to the heel. So go straight down to the floor, and this distance will determine how high the axis of rotation is for our KAFOs. So the distance from the foot plate up to the axis of rotation. So that'll be the center of the polycentric hinge. So for this patient, I'm going to identify the apex of the lateral condyle, which will be right here, take that measurement. So I usually start with 0 at the top and pinpoint that location and put 0 right there. So it'll be right here, and measure the straight line distance down to the floor, perpendicular to the floor. So for this patient, that'll be 48.5 centimeters, which would be about 19 inches. For any additional resources or how-to videos, please visit the Icarus website or reach out to info@icarusmedical.com.